Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to add Instagram highlights without posting to story first. To do this, you just need to go to Instagram, and after that, you need to go to this, click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. And after that, scroll down until you find an option called Hide Story and Live. Click on it. And after that, go to the first option, Hide Story and Live From, and click on it. And just select all of your followers, the people following you, no matter how much, and click Done. And after that, go back and go to the main page and click on Add Story and choose any picture that you want to add to your story, and you can post it now because this story will not be visible to anyone since you hide it from everyone in the settings. And after that, post that story, or you can also go, well, not from here, you can go and post it as story. Not now. Just wait for a few seconds until that picture is posted. For a few seconds. And of course, don't forget to go back after 24 hours and to unhide your stories and your stories from the people that you are hiding story for them, so they can see your future stories and posts. Okay, it's done. It's already published. You can click on the three dots on the bottom right of the screen, and after that click on highlight. And as you can see, you can add this picture to your actual highlight or create a new one, and already added to the highlight. And like that, when I go to my highlight, this is the picture that I added to my highlight, and it's not visible as a story to anyone.